What's up, everybody? Today, we got some fake AirPods, man.
Sunny Daniel Enterprises.
Y'all might be saying, why do I want fake AirPods, man? I want some real AirPods. Well, let me tell you this, man. This video is for all my dudes and girls. It's in high school, middle school. Y'all balling on a budget. You ain't got $200 to shell out for some AirPods. This is for you. I'm actually really curious how these sound, how these look. Today, I'm gonna go grab some real AirPods. Let's get into the packaging, man. We ain't got time for all that talk. Let's get into the packaging. So far, it's definitely not looking like AirPods on the outside, but we're gonna do a comparison video as soon as I get the other AirPods, but this is just gonna be an unboxing of these real quick. And I wanna show y'all something. I don't know how you get this off of here. Man, I ain't got time for all that. So these are the AirPods, man. They looking good, they looking official. They look like real AirPods, really. But I wanna show y'all, I got this. For all my people that's in school, man, y'all balling on the budget. Y'all wanna look like you got $300 AirPods. I mean, $200 AirPods with a $300 case. This whole setup with these, the i10s, and the Louis Vuitton case, $50. Total of $50 for these two products, man. Now, I don't know if this fits in here yet. We about to try it out right now and see if it works. I guess you just take this, slip it on like that. It looks like it's gonna fit. Yeah, there you go. It's a little loose in the hood. The one thing about this, it gives it away, of course, the LEDs, this little lip right here, that doesn't look like AirPods at all. None of that looks like real AirPods, but the case, the feel of it, the chrome back there, it doesn't have the writing right there. It's got the USB-C. Now you could mod this a little bit, maybe throw a little something in there to, I mean, since these are cheap AirPods, you probably could do a little mod action. See, like right now they open and closing. So they fit in there, man. Now you walking around the schoolhouse with these in the Louis Vuitton case, ain't nobody gonna say nothing to you. You looking super official. It is a little bit smaller though, like it doesn't fit in the case as good as AirPods, but we're gonna do a test in a minute once I go pick up some AirPods real fast. But yeah, right now these are looking official. You got them in the Louis Vuitton case, and if you like me, you might have got you a Louis Vuitton case off of DHgate, eBay or something like that. These two together, this a good look right here. This a really good look. And these ain't even real AirPods, man. Let's see how they look. Now I did do some research, and the size of these AirPods, let's do a little turnaround. The size of the AirPods, the dots on the AirPod, everything is exactly like an actual AirPod. You ain't gonna be out here looking fake. If you got these in your ear, ain't nobody gonna know the difference. Case is a little bit bigger than the AirPod case, which is making it come out a little bit. You could mod this, man. This is moddable. For $50, this whole setup, very moddable, man. We got test the sound quality, but look-wise, they got the magnets, of course, so they ain't coming out. The USB-C on the bottom. Perfect cutout. What's great about this, man, is that for $50, you looking like a boss. Now, if you could afford the AirPods, of course, get the AirPods. Why you worried about fake AirPods? But I know a lot of people, middle school, high school, younger than that, y'all want to be official, and y'all don't have $200 to throw away on some AirPods. And this is a good alternative look-wise. But we're gonna get into how they sound. Now, I'm gonna grab my phone, how they pair up, all of that. We ain't got nothing too crazy on the wallpaper today. Now, you know, of course, when you open these up, nothing's gonna happen. So I'm pretty sure you open them up, you take them out, and then now they're in pairing mode. You go to your settings, go into Bluetooth. There they go right there, i10. That's all right, so they connected. See how they sound. All right, let's throw on some music and see how they sound. Oh, they got the double. So you tap once to stop the music, to pause it. Tap again to play it. Double tap to skip. So far, these are sounding really good, man. For $50, yeah, bruh. $50 and you rocking with this quality, this is just as good as the wired what do they call them, earpods. These are just as good. $50, man. Now I gotta get the earpods tonight, and I'm gonna do a test between the two. And you throw the EQ on hip hop, they got good bass, they got good treble. I mean, they don't sound that different than any other headphones, is what I'm saying. Like, I'm not no, you know, headphone connoisseur. I'm not an audiophile or nothing like that. But I know I like to listen to music, and I want it to sound good. And you could turn these up pretty loud. I didn't have them up all the way. I don't like my music too loud, but you know, I got it up about 75%, and these are plenty loud, man. The i10s, you can get them on eBay. I got mine for $44, free shipping. Get the little case. I got mine, I think, for $10. Might have been $12. They had Gucci, they had Louis, they had Chanel. They had a whole bunch. Or if you don't want to go the designer route, I just got this so it would match my phone. I think that looks super official together. And I'm gonna throw either these in there, or I'm gonna throw the real AirPods. If I get the real AirPods and they sound better, then I'll just tell y'all, you know, I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna go up to the the Apple store. I'm gonna grab me a pair of AirPods and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a comparison. All right, y'all, so I just got back from the Apple store, picked up the AirPods. Let's open them up, get that unboxing knife, clean. See what these joints is looking like, man. See how they feel. Of course, they got better presentation and all of that. They seem a little heavier. They definitely are a little heavier. The snappability is a little better on the AirPods, even though these ain't bad. These got good snappability. You see this one has a little button right here and they had a writing on there. These don't. And then of course on the front, you can see it's a major difference between the two. Let's see what happens. We open them up, there you go. Do I want to connect the AirPod? All right, let's do it. So now let's test them out. By the way, before we start, this on the left is the real AirPod. This on the right is the fake AirPod. You see, they're literally identical. And let's see what these official AirPods are sounding like. Let's see what they sound like. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, damn. Hey. Okay. These are better than the cheap AirPods. They better. But for the cost, these are 3 times as much money. I cannot say it's worth 3 times the price, but they are better. I wasn't expecting them to be that much better. These are a little lighter. The fake ones are a little lighter. But honestly, man, like if you on a budget, buy the i10s, hands down. 100% get these. But if you got some dough and you really want the best quality, go ahead and get the AirPods, man. They ain't that much more, but I'm really surprised. The fake ones are a little lighter too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend the night with them. I'm gonna mess with the Mac. I'm gonna see how they sound. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish this up tomorrow. And I'm gonna tell y'all which ones y'all should buy. But so far, it's looking like the real AirPods sound better. But if you're on a budget, those i10s, they are not bad. Let's see if this case fits in the Louis Vuitton though. The lid fits better. I mean, to be honest with you, it don't matter. That didn't really matter. That wasn't something we really cared about. But the real AirPods do fit in the case a little bit better, which means this case, the lid on the fake case, the lid on the i10s must be slightly a little bit smaller. I mean, I'm telling you, for the price, you cannot beat them. And just to show you the difference, this is a real AirPod going in the fake case, and it fits in there. So it's 1 for 1 the same. It's hard to keep track of which ones are fake and which ones are real. I don't know, these real ones are sounding good, man. It works with either one in your ear, either the left one or the right one. It don't matter, which is convenient if you want to talk on the phone. Pop them in the case. Another thing that was convenient too with these, you know, they don't have the easy connect for the first time, but every time you take them out after you've originally connected them, they connect automatically. So that's not a problem with the fake ones. But I'm gonna do a test all night and see how it is and come back tomorrow and let y'all know which ones you should purchase. You know one test I did want to see that I didn't do? The call quality test. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into voice notes because I want to give y'all a full rundown, man, as much as I can. My tech videos is kind of all over the place, but okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a voice recording with the AirPods. Nah, I'm gonna do them with these first. I'm gonna do a voice recording with the i10s and we're gonna go ahead and see what it sound like. So this is a test for the audio quality. So yeah, this is a test for the audio quality. I'm trying to see what it sound like if I was on the phone call. They both in my ears. I'm talking like I be talking on the phone. And then I'm gonna pop these out and pop the AirPods in. This is a test for the audio quality. I'm talking just like I be talking on the phone. I can already tell right now the peaks on this voice recorder are picking up so much better audio. Yeah, that's a big difference, man. The audio quality is definitely better. Y'all could probably hear that. I'll put that in the video. I've been rocking with both of these for the last, I don't know, say about a week, 3-4 days. And I gotta be honest, there is not much difference between the i10s and the AirPods. There really isn't, man. Like, I got the Louis Vuitton case on here just because I've been rocking with the AirPods a little bit more. So after about a week of use, I can say safely that if you get the i10s and you go ahead and get you a case like this for them, or any kind of case just to cover up this ugly case that the i10s come with, these are Sunny Daniel certified. That's gonna be my new thing, Sunny Daniel certified. Sunny Daniel certified means that these are products that I would rock with. These are products that I would pay my money for. It's gonna be a little secret thing just in case like I'm doing product reviews and I'm getting paid or something. If I don't say it's Sunny Daniel certified, then that means I probably wouldn't buy it for myself. These are definitely Sunny Daniel certified. The i10s for $44, man. $44. You get the case for 10 and you out here looking like you straight balling with the AirPods. Now, with that being said, I did buy the AirPods and I gotta say that the AirPods definitely have better sound quality. Now, I'd say the i10s are 8 out of 10. The AirPods are 10 out of 10. And we scaling this from each other. other. We're not scaling this to any other headphones. I'm saying on a scale from 1 to 10, this would be an 8 out of 10 for sound. This would be a 10 out of 10. The thing about the i10s is that you really need to mess with the equalizer on your phone. Maybe throw it to hip hop, you know, maybe throw it to hip hop bass boosted or something like that, just to give these a little bit more bass. But when you do that, they're 8 out of 10 easy. The AirPods, you don't need to do that, and they come straight out the box 10 out of 10 on this scale with these and these. With that being said, 2 points on that scale is not really worth $140 more than the i10s. So I'm gonna put it to you like this. If you in school, you in middle school, high school, you just ain't got it like that, but you still trying to look like you got it like that, pick up the i10s, man. Pick up the i10s, get you a $10 case, and be good to go. I'm telling you, as soon as you pair these up to your phone through the Bluetooth settings, they pair up instantly every time you open them up, just like the AirPods do, without the little animation, but it's the same idea. Definitely Sunny Daniel certified, and if I wasn't gonna keep these AirPods, I would 100% keep these for when I'm out walking around, just chilling, just to have the AirPod experience without paying that big price tag. But if you got the money, go ahead and grab the real official AirPods. They sound a little bit better. The battery life is like a couple hours longer, so you're getting more battery life, you're getting a little bit better sound quality, and you're getting just the Apple integration with them. It's not really worth $140. That's why I say if you really don't got it, grab the i10s. But if you just got it and you can rock with it, it's not affecting you that much, get the real AirPods. And I can't even say these are that much easier to pair up. Like, people always say that about AirPods, but it's really not that big of a difference, man. Like, once you pair these up through the Bluetooth settings, they pair up soon as you open them up and take them and put them in your ear. So not much of a difference, but I would definitely say both of these are Sunny Daniel certified. And I'm probably gonna keep the official AirPods just for the longer battery life and the slightly better sound quality. Just because I'm editing on my Mac and stuff like that, I need the battery to last as long as it can. They sound a little bit better, so I'll probably keep these. And they fit in the case the best. They just look official, you know what I mean? They just official. But that's not saying the i10s isn't worth it, man, because for $44, you can't go wrong. I hope this video helped y'all, man. I've been editing this video for a while. It's about an hour long. I'm gonna cut it and piece it together, hopefully make it 10 minutes and make it real smooth. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out between the i10s and the official AirPods. And if you want more videos like this, post in the comments, let me know what products you want me to review, and I'll be reviewing some new products. Thanks.
Let me see you dance. I love to watch you.